So let's go create our first Hello World program in Python. So if you are using Visual Studio 2022, then you can go on the create new project here. And then from here, you select Python, you select all projects types, all platforms, and then this is our first Python application in command line or console apps. Okay, so from here, you can just click on next, and then we can rename our application my first Python app, and then we can choose the location. I will use the default one here, and then we can just click on create. So we will wait for a few seconds here while the Microsoft Visual Studio will create the project. Actually, if you are using the Python directly without any IDE, so actually you can just write your code in your maybe Notepad++ or Notepad.exe, so it's up to you. But if you are using Anaconda, maybe you can use the Python PyBook or Spider IDE. Actually, the code is all the same. The difference is only the editor and the environment. So let's see how to write an hello world application here. So actually you can just use the print, and then you can write the hello world. So if you see in my code, actually it's quite simple here, but in Python you no need to put this semicolon. You can just put print and then your code, because in Python the semicolon is not a mandatory. So you can put it here or we can remove it. It's also the same. So from the here now we can click on start. So we will wait. This one, this pop-up will come up, and then here our hello world. So this is our first program. So and then you can click on stop. So this is the specialty of using IDE, which is we can debug the application while running the application. So when I click the run button here, so we can check in our output here to see if there is any error that's coming from the application. So we will use this a lot in our class from this series.